Welcome to the Technology Training Center's step-by-step Sitecore videos. In this video, we'll look at uploading and linking to a document. In the content editor, navigate to the page that is going to contain the link that we'll use to link to the document that we're going to upload in a couple of minutes. Then jump into your page editor. Once the page loads, scroll down to the section where you're going to be placing the link. Click in it. Select your rich text editor. On this page, we're going to place our document link right here. So highlight it. Then we go up to the Insert Sitecore Link icon and click on that. At this point, we're going to have to change from our internal link tab to the Media Items tab. Now we navigate down here to where in the structure we want to place our document. This is going to be the destination for our upload location. In our case, we're going to go to our custom training folder, and below that we've got a documents folder. So I'm just going to select that. Now since the document does not live yet on the server, we have to upload it, and that's where this button on the left comes in. Click on that once. This interface pops up. We're going to choose our file. And in our case, the file lives on the desktop. I'm going to just select our file here, and I'm going to upload a PDF document. Select it, open it. It's staged and ready for uploading. Hit the upload button. And then the document is now uploaded, and we can see it here. Just click on the X in the upper right corner to close this interface. And now we can see the document displayed in our Media Items section. Clicking on Insert builds that link from this text here to the document. All we have to do now is hit Accept, save our work, and publish our items. And let's take a look at it on our live site. Here's that new link we made right here. If we click on this, it initiates a download of our document that we've just uploaded. If you have multiple documents to upload, it's actually easier to go in through the media library itself. So we're going to do that. We're going to switch back to our content manager, then go to our media library, navigate through our tree to the folder that's going to contain all the documents we upload. I'm going to select the tree here. Once we've got the folder selected, we're not going to use the upload file. That uses a single file, or upload to single file. We're going to go to Upload Files Advanced. So we select that, and now we're given an interface to choose a file. We're going to select one. Again, I'm going to load it from my desktop. Open that one, and it stages that one. Gives us another button down here to choose a second file. And so on. We can add more files here if we wanted. In this case, I'm only going to choose these two PDF documents. We can hit the upload button right here. It's going to send those files up to our system, and we see they are already arrived. Close, and they're now loaded into our system. This is the second and third files we uploaded. Now we can switch back to our page editor. Scroll down to the section we want to edit, jump into our rich text editor, and I'm going to insert those files right here. Make them bullet points. Now I just select it. Once again, use the Insert Sitecore link. Select it, switch to Media Items, navigate down to the folder that we just uploaded our new documents to. Select our document, insert, and I'm going to repeat it for this one. Accept, save our work, and publish our item. Switch over to our live view. And we've got our files loaded for us. If you have any questions or comments, please send them to training@ualberta.ca.